Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how to enable two-factor authentication on Binomo. To enable two-factor authentication on binomo.com, go ahead and open up a web browser and type in binomo.com in the URL box and search. Make sure that you're also logged into your Binomo account homepage. Once you're logged in, go to the upper right corner and click on your avatar or profile picture. From the expanded menu, click Profile. Once you're inside your profile section or the account details page, scroll down and look for the two-factor authentication option. Click on Setup to enable two-factor authentication. Click on the Continue Setup button and you have two different options. You can either install the Google Authenticator app or the Authy app on your smartphone and click Next. I already have the Google Authenticator app installed on my smartphone. Open up your Authenticator app and make sure to scan this QR code. You can also enter this security code inside your Google Authenticator or Authy app. Go back to your Binomo website and enter the authentication code generated currently from your Authy or Google Authenticator app. Once you do that, you'll be able to enable two-factor authentication. You'll see recovery codes on the next page. You can download the recovery code. These codes are an alternative way to log into your account. It's handy in case you lose your phone and can't launch Authenticator app. These codes are one time, but you can always update them. Now you can copy these codes or download it and keep it in a secure location and click Next. Go ahead and enter one of the recovery codes to finish the 2FA setup. And right after you do that, you have enabled two-factor authentication on Binomo. It will redirect you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials and sign in. So there you have it. That is how you can easily enable two-factor authentication on binomo.com. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.